Hi everyone. In this video, I will introduce you to a new tool. It's called generalagents.com. So using this, you can automate anything from your desktop or from your Mac. So this is the first time real-time computer autopilot system that is there. So you can come to this portal, generalagents.com. So you can automate various things on your computer. So whether it is procurement, book me an Airbnb in Cairo on 1st May. So if you say that instruction, it will go and find the Airbnb between that particular date and it will book the Airbnb for you, as you can see in my screen. So it will do the entire task for you with just a single prompt. So in terms of recruitment, find a software leader on LinkedIn and text my boss their name on iMessage. So it will go to LinkedIn, look for a software leader on LinkedIn and text the name of that boss in iMessage. So it can open all those apps, it can copy things that is required and do all those things in a completely automated way. So if you can see, it has gone and identified a software engineering leader. It's copied the name and it has gone to iMessage and it has searched for boss and texted the name, as you can see here. Or it could be creative and slow the clips down to 50%, split the clip once with cut tool and export the clip to MP4. So these are complex things that is done within video editing tools where it can go there and adjust the things for you and then export the clip in MP4 format. So such complicated tasks also it's able to do it with just a few lines of prompt. So that's what makes this general agents impressive from all the other agents that is out there in the market right now. And it can run from browser also, as far as I know. So as of now, they are offering a sign up for research. That's how you use it. Or it could be used for data entry and processing. You can zip these files, then upload the zip to Google Drive and Chrome and text my boss a link. So these are some of the tasks that you get in Office, like you have to zip these files and put it in Google Drive and text the link to my boss. So it can do all these automation. You can just tell that, okay, this files you upload, zip it and upload to Google Drive and get the link and text email or text a message to the boss. So it is able to do all those things which human beings used to do. Now if you go here, you can see this is the data entry and processing sheet. Make all cells above 10,000 in green. This is a complex formula that needs to be put in. So it has come up with that and it has put those. Or you could convert the fake resume file present in the document. So convert the fake resume.pdf file present in the document. So it is opening it up. It is converting the document into other format, I guess. See, now it has gone ahead and started converting the document. You can do anything with this. So there's nothing which stops you from doing any other activity that you humans used to do here. Make a Google sheet with the population of the 3 largest states and add a chart. So with just single prompt, it is able to do all those things, as you can see here. Now if you come here and say, copy a cute image of a dog from Google Chrome and share it with my boss. So it's able to do all those complications. If you look at model accuracy comparison, this is ACE control medium, this is ACE control small, and this is various other ACE outperformance other models on the suite of computer used us, which they are open sourcing it, which is great. And we are making ACE control models available to select partners through the development partner program. So this is the ACE is exceptionally fast and it can perform any tasks in super human time. So if you compare it with other ones, this is ChatGPT or this is Claude, right? This is Claude. Then this is QN, then Claude. So you can see how fast it is if you see the comparison wise. So ACE is still learning and make mistakes. Here are some of the examples of its failure. So they have shown the failure also, which is great. This is accuracy versus training. So you can come here and check it out. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.